All right, gents, BA here with an update, our weekly update for our strategies that we are putting together in beta mode for October, November, December. So what we have here is just an update on strategy 2 and strategy 3. Again, quickly, strategy 2 is focused on the weekly AI selections. Then I whittle that down based on what looks good on a 30-day prediction chart versus what the actual chart looks like. So don't know how it's going to work out, but that's what strategy 2 is all about. Strategy 3 we just implemented on the 13th of October. So we started that. This is strategy 3 is gaming, NFTs and meme coins. That's what the GNM stands for. All right, so we are just focused. I'm scanning every day. I'm up every morning at about 3:30 or 4, scanning to see what looks good, what might be moving in amongst those three sectors, and then at the end of the day I do the same thing. Again, don't know how it's going to pan out, for the next 3 months, but we want to be in there in what might be the most explosive sectors going forward. All right, so here is, you can see here the AI weekly portfolio, bold and in black. The AI gaming, NFTs, and meme coins are highlighted in bolded in green. All right, so these shaded columns here are closeouts that we've gotten so far, and these are all of our open positions for AI weekly. I have no closeouts so far on the daily gaming, NFTs and meme coin portfolio. I did not buy enough CGG. I just got into that. So here's what I picked up today. I went in on Tower and Gamer Coin. Tower, CGG, and Gamer Coin. Those are the two new ads today. And ever since I bought CGG, it's just gone consistently higher. All right, so let's take a quick look at, here's the chart. You can see Bitcoin still just would have paid to, for the last 2 weeks, would have paid to be in Bitcoin versus the portfolio, but portfolio is blue line here. We're still holding pretty good. S&P 500, that line. We hope to, by the end of the quarter, be well above both of those in returns. That's the theory anyway. We'll see how it goes. That's what this is all about. Okay, so watch list going forward. I'm going to add these to my long-term holders, holding or hodling portfolio. CGG, UFO, and D-Race. D-Race is a horse racing game. UFO is, you can read about that. And CGG, Chain of Guardians, I believe that's the name of that one. So we'll add those for long-term holds. We won't trade those. We'll just add them. I really slacked. I was going to add those this morning. Would have really paid off on CGG. That one's just jumped really hard today. So I still got time to get in on UFO and DREC. Okay, so that's long-term what I'm going to add, how I'm posturing going forward for that. Up here are just some things that I am looking at potentially to add moving forward as well. All right, so let's go here. Just take a look at some charts. So, all right, Gamer Token. We added that one today, about where it's at right now, so no issue there. I missed this one yesterday. I'm going to keep a watch on the Wild token, Wilder World. It is another gamer token. All right, so let's go up. Here's CGG. I got that at 113 just a little bit ago. It wasn't even 45 minutes ago. It's just continually gone up. Any pullback there, and that's when I'm going to pounce in with the long-term portfolio. This is on KuCoin. So no issue there. Let's see, where's the UFO? Let's find the UFO token. So here's the UFO token. It's on Uniswap. Can't buy that on KuCoin. So I'm going to let this one bleed off a little bit more if it will, and I'll look at it again tomorrow and see if I can get in on UFO. The other one that I am looking at adding is D-Race. So that one's in a good position right there. Again, might have found the bottom. You can see there how it's only closed below this level right here where it's at 1, 2 times. So good potential. It's on a bottom right there. So we'll look at adding D-Race. Again, it's on Uniswap. But these are long-term holds. The Gamer token is on KuCoin. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. I've added to Engine back in this area right here, so Engine's moving up a little bit too in the long-term holding portfolio. All right, so now in a separate email, I'll send you guys some tasks, some things that we want to get started with next week. It's just monitoring a couple of Twitter accounts and maybe some Discord rooms. But I'd like for you guys to focus on that. I'll send those out in a separate email to you. Hey, that is all I have for right now for the weekly update. Next week I'll have the package, the brief, a little better as we move forward, and we'll go from there. Hey, this is BA out.